Let me tell you something upfront. The idea of earning $77 per hour selling digital AI art online might sound too good to be true, but it's not as out of reach as it seems. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's not magic. It's a combination of creative effort, some learning, and smart strategies. If you're someone who's even a little curious about how this works, I'm here to explain everything step by step, breaking it all down into plain, straightforward terms that anyone can follow. If you want an even deeper, more detailed blueprint with expert advice on how to sell your digital products to hundreds of thousands of people, click the link in the description. This will give you access to all the information you'll ever need, masterclasses, and advice from successful sellers who are making at least 6 figures a year from their digital products. Why digital art? Now, let's talk about why selling digital AI art is such a good idea. One of the biggest reasons is the potential for passive income. What does that mean exactly? Well, passive income is money you earn without actively working for it after the initial effort. When you create a piece of digital art and put it up for sale, it's like setting up a small income stream. People can buy it while you're asleep, while you're out with friends, or even while you're working on your next project. Once it's out there, it keeps working for you. Of course, it takes effort up front. You have to create the art, upload it, and market it. But after that, it's a source of income that doesn't demand constant attention. This also solves some of the major issues that come with selling traditional art. Let's be honest, selling physical pieces can be exhausting. First, there's the time it takes to create the art itself, which can already be a long process. Then there's dealing with shipping. Packaging has to be perfect, especially for fragile or valuable pieces. Shipping costs can be high, and delays or damage during transit can lead to unhappy customers. Plus, when you sell a physical piece, that's it. It's gone. You can't sell the same painting or drawing to someone else. But with digital art, you skip all of that. There's no packaging, no shipping, no risk of damage. Once someone buys your product, they get it instantly, no matter where in the world they are. And because it's a digital file, you can sell it again and again without any extra effort. This is what makes it so efficient and attractive, especially if you're looking to turn your art into a sustainable income stream. How to create digital art. There are AI tools available now, some of them even free, that can help you create stunning, unique pieces of artwork with zero technical skills. You don't have to be a professional painter or designer. These tools let you experiment and create pieces that you might not have thought possible otherwise. It's a way to take your ideas and bring them to life faster than ever before. You might have heard of tools like Midjourney, DALLE, or others in the same category. These platforms are user-friendly, and with a little time spent learning how they work, you can create digital art that looks professional and stands out. One of my favorite AI art tools to use is Leonardo AI. With this, you simply sign up, log in, click on image creation, and then type in a prompt like a beautiful garden with puppies running around. Then, you can pick from these different presets, change the dimensions, and much more. Once you hit generate, Leonardo AI will give you some image options that you can download and use. There are many tools like this that you can use, so make sure to do some research and explore. AI art digital products. Let's break down some of the types of digital products you could create with AI-generated art. One of the easiest and most popular options is printables. These are digital files that customers can buy, download, and print themselves. Think about things like art prints for framing, designs for stationery, or even coloring pages. They're simple to create and can be sold for a wide range of uses. The best part is that customers can handle the printing themselves, which means less work on your end. Just make sure you clearly communicate how the file can be used. For example, most artists include a licensing agreement that specifies the art is for personal use only. That way, your buyers know they can't turn around and sell your work without permission. Another great option is creating educational products. If you've learned how to use AI art tools well, why not share that knowledge? Many people are curious about AI art, but feel intimidated by the technology. You could create an ebook or a guide explaining how to use a specific tool. You could also make video tutorials showing your process, walking people through how you create your pieces step by step. This type of product has a lot of value because it helps others learn something new. And if you're comfortable sharing your working files, like Photoshop documents, PSDs, that's another thing you can sell. Just remember to include terms of use so your buyers understand what they can and can't do with the files. You could also branch out into templates and tools. For example, if you've developed custom digital brushes for your art software, you could sell those to other artists. Or you could design digital wallpapers for phones and computers featuring your art. These are easy to create and appeal to a broad audience. The key is to think about what people might want and how your work can fill that need. Marketing. You can create the most amazing digital art, but if no one knows it exists, it won't sell. This is where marketing comes in. Building an audience takes time, but it's worth the effort. Social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are great for showcasing your work and connecting with potential buyers. You don't have to be an expert in marketing to get started. Just start sharing your art consistently and engaging with people who show interest. Over time, this builds trust and makes people more likely to buy from you. Another helpful tip is to think about where you'll sell your products. There are plenty of platforms to choose from, like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. Each has its pros and cons, so it's worth researching to find the best fit for your needs. For example, Etsy has a large built-in audience, but it also takes a cut of your sales. Your own website gives you more control, but requires more effort to drive traffic. If you are interested in making your own website, I recommend trying out Shopify. You can click the link in the description to get a free trial and decide if this route works for you. Let's also talk about pricing. Figuring out what to charge can feel tricky at first, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Look at what similar products are selling for to get a sense of the market. Keep in mind that your time and effort have value, so don't undersell yourself. It's better to start with a price you're comfortable with and adjust later based on feedback and sales performance. Success in this space doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to learn, create, and build an audience, but the potential is real, and if you stick to it, you can create a steady, reliable income stream from your digital art. If you have any questions about how to sell and create digital products, or if you want to learn more specific hacks, click the link in the description to join our free Wealthy Club school community. Inside, we share exclusive tips and updates on making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's completely free, and you'll be surrounded by people who are also making money online like you, so check that out. Have you ever created or bought digital art? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.